Hello and welcome to Rhyming Bird. In this game, we compete with each other to a game of rhymes. Can you keep up with my rhyming skills? Say, help, to learn how to play or start to begin. I'll give you a word and you'll have to give me a word that rhymes with it. Single word rhymes need to be answered with single word rhymes and double word rhymes with double word rhymes. There are no sentences, only words. So, all your words need to rhyme. You get 1 point each time you answer correctly. If you make a mistake, your points for the session will reset to 0 and you'll have to start all over again. To answer, you have to say, "My answer is," followed by your answer. Here's an example. I'll say, "Rhyme bat power." You can say, "My answer is cat tower." If you answer correctly, the roles are reversed. You can then ask me to rhyme by saying, "Rhyme," and then your word. For how long can you keep up your streak? Say start to start the challenge or cancel to end the game. Okay, let's begin. Here's the first one. Rhyme, done. Say, "My answer is," followed by your answer. Good. It's your turn to ask now. Say, "Rhyme," and then say a word or two. My answer is Poacher Emir. It's my turn now. Rhyme, incommode, somber. Say, "My answer is," followed by your answer.